Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about silicone roof coatings. I made a 10-question quiz, kind of going over the 10 common questions that someone would, a building owner would want to learn about before maybe investing in a silicone roof coating system. So let's get started with question one. Question one: about how much would it cost to install a roof coating system on a 20,000 square foot roof with 5% wet insulation that needs to be removed and replaced with a 15-year warranty? $2 to $4 per square foot, $4 to $7, or more than $7 per square foot. And the answer is $4 to $7 per square foot. 3 to 4 years ago, the cost was about half, about $2 to $4 per square foot. But with the current labor shortages, higher material costs, manufacturers just have a higher cost than they did a long time ago, and that gets passed down to the contractor, which gets passed down to the end user. But the average right now is about $4 to $7, and there's a million variables that will shoot you towards the $4 range or the $7 range. The price could be more towards the $7 range if the job is very challenging. Say the roof is 500 feet in the air. That just takes a lot of safety setup and just a lot of risk involved there. It's severely sloped, so it might take a lot longer to install, just again with safety setup. Maybe a custom color of coating was needed. If you need to blend a couple colors together, that might take some more engineering time and testing and tuning to get the right color for you. Perhaps there's a lot of wet insulation, so no roof should be installed over a roof that already has wet insulation. It will cause a bunch of problems going forward. But a roof that's 2% saturated versus one that's 20% saturated, huge difference in price. A lot more labor is involved to remove and replace that wet insulation. You got to pay for landfill costs, etc. So a big cost difference there. Maybe a 20-year warranty is desired. That has to do with the amount of product being installed. So a 10-year warranty uses 20 mils of coating, and a 20-year warranty uses 30 mils of coating. So if you want double the length of the warranty, it uses 50% more material. More material, it's going to cost more. And then also how far away you are from the roofing contractor. So it's just gas and labor hours involved with that. But don't ever short sell using a contractor just because they're closer versus another one that might be more qualified. Question two: what is the problem that all roof coating systems have? When they're wet, they're very slippery, which can cause a safety hazard. Since they're fluid applied, installing the correct thickness level is difficult, and they do not expand and contract with the roof. So the answer is when they're wet, they're very slippery, which can cause a safety hazard. It definitely has to do with personnel on the roof, HVAC contractors, people that aren't roofing specialists might not be equipped to walk on a slippery roof safely. To monitor the thickness of the coating that's installed, a roofing contractor will constantly use a depth gauge. Roof coating systems are engineered to withstand all elements and issues a roof goes through, including the expansion and contraction of a roof. The technical term is called elongation, which means that the coating can expand a certain percentage, usually 200%, and contract back to its original thickness without losing any performance. So those are the first two questions with some explanations about why the right answer is correct, but also why the wrong answers aren't correct. And in the description below, there's a link to the full 10-question quiz there. So 8 more questions just like this. I hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.